Today we'll be reviewing the Sennheiser Momentum 4 over-ear headphones. Let's get started. The Sennheiser Momentum 4 over-ears are the next generation of the renowned Momentum line from Sennheiser. The design has gotten a major overhaul. Long gone are the stainless steel bands and rounded surfaces with flashy hardware accents. Now we have a design iteration that is a lot more, basic, for better and for worse. On one hand, the comfort has been greatly improved, making these an easy wear for long flights and commutes. The ear cushions feel more plush, and with the omission of metal and leather parts, the weight has drastically reduced. I get what Sennheiser is trying to do here. Make an understated and unobtrusive design at the cost of a better user experience, and in that front, I give Sennheiser all the credit. After using these for a span of a month, these have become my favorite over-ear headphones by far, solely due to the comfort. Don't get me wrong, I am a sucker for aesthetics in industrial design, so believe me when I say I was hesitant at first. The comfort and ease of use is truly next level. The Bluetooth is easy and snappy to pair, and the battery life easily lasts all day of heavy use. Due to its lighter footprint, it's effortless to carry around in my travel bag. Yes, the majority of the build is made of plastic, but this is what keeps the headphones lightweight, and I've had no issues with durability whatsoever. The only thing I wish they would have kept was the foldable ear cups. All they do now is just rotate on a swivel. The sound is a pleasant surprise. When I thought the Momentums couldn't get any better, the sound has improved with this generation. Noise cancellation will seamlessly block out noises in a crowded plane, a windy day in the city, and everywhere in between. The sound is punchy and detailed with the right balance of bass. With the introduction of a new design, these will surely divide a lot of people. On one hand, the previous generation Momentums had a more premium construction, yet the Momentum 4s are vastly more ergonomic and lightweight in extended use cases. The battery life has improved, the Bluetooth is faster, and the sound is a much needed and welcome refresh. So I feel as though it's one step back in aesthetics, but a massive step forward for everything else. This has been a review of the Sennheiser Momentum 4 over-ear headphones. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. The Sennheiser Momentum 4s are available now and can be purchased through the links in the description. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.